So the Base of Skull workshop was the first Australian workshop that brought ENT specialists as well as neurosurgeons, ophthalmology into the same room where they provided their expert skills to teach others how to perform this intrinsic surgery for children with base of skull pathologies. The usual medical pathway for these children is to have very invasive operations. Now with this new base of skull approach, the surgeons are able to reach these areas of the brain using the natural corridors, the nose, the eyes.
The base of skull service is an Australian and world first, where we are taking very small expansile tumours that grow, encase around the nerves and vessels within a model, and then surgical teams come in and have to dissect them out, preserving all the vital structures. The international collaboration brought the world experts all together, and it was a phenomenal success. The workshop sold out so quickly. Everyone's like, wow, this is incredible, because they needed to see that it was actually possible.